Hope so that you have completed all assignments which I have given last week and understood all the things which I have taught you. Fine. Now we are going to start our new topic, which is multiplication. From very little age you are learning about the multiplication. Multiplication is basically based on a tables, or you can say times tables. हमारी मल्टीप्लिकेशन जो है वो सबसे पहले बेसिकली किस पे बेस कर रही होती है, टाइम्स टेबल्स पे. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फॉर completing or doing the multiplication you must memorize all the tables from 2 to 9. Fine, that will be easier for you to multiply any number with the another number. Now first of all we will learn that how we can multiply any number with the 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay, first of all multiplication with 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay, fine. So the first question we are having over here is 48, 36. Fine. Where I will place the comma? After the units family, then multiply by 1000 is there. Now, as we know, whenever we are multiplying any number with the value which is having the zeros in the end, जब भी हम किसी भी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं ऐसी वैल्यू से जिसके लास्ट में जीरो होते हैं, we will just simply copy all the first number over there, then we will just count the zeros from the value. Fine, and just write the zeros over there. Means हमारे पास जो भी नंबर यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ होता है हम उसको एज इट इज कॉपी करते हैं, और जो सेकंड वैल्यू हमारे पास दी होती है जिसके अंदर हमारे पास जीरो होते हैं हम उन जीरोस को काउंट करते हैं और उनको काउंट करके उसी नंबर के साथ लिख देते हैं. दैट इज अ शॉर्टकट वे और शॉर्ट वे टू फाइंड आउट द मल्टीप्लिकेशन विद द नंबर 100, 10 and 1000, or you can say the number which is having the zeros in the end. ये एक शॉर्ट वे होता है यूज फाइंड आउट करने का कि किस तरह से मल्टीप्लिकेशन हम कर सकते हैं ऐसे नंबर से जिसके लास्ट में क्या आ रहा होता है, जीरो आ रहा होता है. सो सिंपली व्हाट विल बी द आंसर देन? 4836, and how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. So how many zeros are in place? 1 2 3. Now come to the commas. As we have learned in the last video, what we have placed after each and every family we need to place the commas. After the unit family I have placed, okay, and after the thousand family I have placed the comma. Now come to the second example. Okay, I am just writing 4 examples over there. 1 36 multiplied by 1. Okay, as I said, what we have to do? First of all, we have to write the first number, whatever the number is there. We just need to write the same number over there. Then what we have to do? We will count the zeros over there and write the zero. Simply 36, and how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4. In this one, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So with the first of all, I have to write the number 8397, and how many zeros? 1 2. Now come to this one. In this one, what is the number? 543 67. And how many zeros we are having? 3 zeros. So 1 2 3. Fine. Also this thing is different numbers with the 3-digit numbers. Before going on the 3-digit numbers, first of all, we will just have a review that how we can multiply any number with a 2-digit number. First of all, a question we are having on there 5 0843, and we have to multiply this number with the 89. The first thing I have told you in the starting of the video that first of all, the main thing to solve any multiplication question is to memorize the tables very perfectly, because without the tables we cannot do any multiplication question. So a number we are having 5843, and we have to multiply this number with the 89, means 2-digit number. So how, the first question is that how we are going to arrange it. First of all, we will write the greater number on the top. What is the number? 5843. Write it with a gap, so there will not be the confusion or confliction over there and mess over there. हर नंबर के बीच में अच्छा खासा गैप दिएगा ताकि आपके काम में गंदगी नहीं हो और सफाई से हो. Then the second 89 is there. Always remember that whenever we are going to find out or writing any sum like addition, subtraction, multiplication, so we will start writing from the ones. What is the ones over there? 9. So under the ones, what you will write? Ones means 9, and under the tens, what you will write? Tens means 8 you will write. Now we have to multiply it. The first step is that you need to multiply the first number with the upper all numbers. मतलब जो first number है उसको हम क्या करेंगे, ऊपर वाले सारे नंबर से क्या कर लेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे 1 by 1. 9 3 is 27. So in the 27 we cannot write whole 27 over here. We need to shift the 2 as a carry on the second number. Fine. 2 as a carry. Fine. And 7 simply over here. Then the second 9, but now we have to multiply the 9 with the 4. 9 4 is 36, and then we just add up the carry as well. 36, 37, 38. 3 as a carry now, and 6 down. Then 9 8s are 72. In 72 we need to add the carry as well. So 72 plus 3, what it will become? It will become 75. 7 as a carry and 5 as a number simple. 9 5s are 45. In 45, what we have to add now? 7, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51 and 52. So what will come? 52. Is there any number after the 5? No. So we will just completely write the 52 over there. Otherwise, if any number will be there, so we will just shift the 5 on that number as a carry. Right now we are just writing 52 over there. मतलब अगर यहाँ पे हमारे पास कोई नंबर होता तो हम क्या करते, इस 5 को उस नंबर को पे एज अ कैरी ले जाते, बट यहाँ पे हमारे पास कोई भी नंबर नहीं है, तो इस वजह से हम 52 को कंप्लीटली यहाँ पे लिख रहे हैं. अब हम आ जाते हैं 8 के ऊपर. 8 क्या हमारे पास क्या है? अब हम बिफोर गोइंग ऑन द सेकंड नंबर वी विल जस्ट गेट द कैरी, अदरवाइज इट विल बी कंफ्यूजन फॉर अस. फाइन. अगर हम इन कैरीज को कैंसिल कर देते हैं तो हमारे पास कंफ्यूजन का चांस नहीं बचेगा. दैट इज अ टिप फॉर यू फॉर डूइंग द मल्टीप्लिकेशन इन अ इजियर वे. नाउ वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई द 8 विद द ऑल नंबर्स व्हिच आर प्रेजेंट up over there. Fine. So 8 3s are. Okay, first of all, one more thing is there. At the place this number is done over there na, now we have multiplied this number with all numbers. So under it I just place the cross sign over there. Now come to the second number. Now we have to multiply this number with the upper all numbers. अब ऊपर वाले सारे नंबर से इसको क्या कर देंगे, मल्टीप्लाई. 8 3s are. What will be the 8 3s? 8 3s are 24. So 2 as a carry again and 4 down over there. 8 4s are 32. Add up the carry. 32, 33, 34 will come. 3 as a carry. 3. Okay, 8 8s are 64. 64, 65, 66, 67 will come. 6 as a carry and here. Now 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 6, what it will become? 46. There is no number, so we are not supposed to bring the carry over there. So now in the last we just need to add these up together. अब हम क्या करेंगे लास्ट में, इन सबको क्या कर लेंगे, आपस में ऐड कर लेंगे. 7 7 fine. 6 plus 4 10. We cannot write the 10 over there. Fine. So we will just shift the 1 as a carry on the next number, but the carry will go over here, not up over there. मतलब कैरी जो है एडिशन की, जब भी मल्टीप्लिकेशन की कैरी करेंगे तो वो ऊपर वाले नंबर्स के ऊपर आएगी, बट when you are doing the addition in the last, जब आप एडिशन कर रहे होंगे दोनों का, ये तीनों का, जिसका भी जितनों का भी, तो आप उसकी कैरी उसी के ऊपर लेके जाएंगे. यहाँ पे मैंने 6 plus 4 किया था 10 आ रहा था आंसर, so I just shifted the 1 over here. Now 5 plus 4 9. Okay, 9 plus 1 10, it will become again 1 as a carry and 0 over here. 7 8 9 10, again 1 as a carry, 0 here. 5 plus 6, what it will become? 11. 11 plus 1 12, 1 as a carry and 2 over here. 4 plus 1 5. So that is a simple way to multiply the 2-digit number. Now from the multiplication of 3-digit numbers. Okay, first of all I am writing a question over there. We are having a number 8 0 5 3 6 multiplied by 982. Fine. We are having a 3-digit number. We have to multiply now with a 3-digit number. Now again, the first step is that we have to arrange it. In the arrangement, what we have to do? First of all, we will write the numbers 8 0 5 3 6. We will write the number with a gap, so it will be not be the mess over there. Now the second one, 982. Ones under the ones, tens under the tens, and 100 under the 100. Now simply multiplication. As we have done with the 2-digit numbers, we have to do with the 3-digit numbers as well. Means each number which is down over here will be multiplied with every number present up. Right? यानी जो नीचे वाला नंबर है वो सारे ऊपर वाले नंबर से क्या होगा, सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई होगा. सो व्हाट विल बी द फर्स्ट वन? 2. I have to multiply 2 with the all numbers on the top. 2 6 are 12. 1 as a carry and 2 simply down I will write. 2 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 and adding the carry 7 it will become. 2 5 are 10. 1 as a carry and 0 over here. Now come to this one. 2 zeros are. What will be the 2 zeros are? 2 zeros are 0. Whenever we multiply any number, any number with a 0, it will become the 0. So 2 zeros are 0. Now we will just add up the carry over there. 0 plus 1, what it will become? 1. So 1 over here. 2 8s are 16. Now I have completed one number, means I have multiplied one number with the all upper numbers. So I just need to place one cross over there. This one number is there, so I place the one cross over there. Now, as I told you before, that just add the previous carries, so it will be easier for you. पुरानी वाली carries को अगर आप cancel कर देंगे तो आपके पास easy रहेगा, आपको confusion नहीं होगी. Now we have to multiply 8 with all upper numbers. Now 8 6 are. What is 8 6 are? 8 5 are 40. 8 6 are 48. So 4 as a carry and 8 down. We have to write down over here. Now 8 3 are 24. 24 plus 4 28. Okay, I am just writing the same now. 28. Fine? 28, sorry. 2 will be other carry now. And write 2 as a carry. Now, 8 5 are 40. 40 plus 2, 42. Now, 8 zeros are 0. Fine? 0, 8 0 the 0. 0 plus 4. 4 will be the answer. And 8 8 is 64. Now come to the third one. Before doing that, you just need to first of all cancel the previous carries. That will be easier for you. Again, I am telling you the same thing. Now, for the third number, before starting multiplying the third number with all numbers, you need to place the cross. Here we have done two numbers ना. यहाँ पे भी हम दो नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर चुके हैं ना, तो हम दो क्रॉस करा देंगे 1 and 2. Now 9 6 are 30. Oh, 9 6 are 54. 5 as a carry and 4 over here. 9 3 are 27. 27 plus 5, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So 3 as a carry and 2 over here. Now 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 3, 48. So 4 as a carry over here and 8 down over there. 9 zeros are, as I told you, that whenever you multiply any number with a 0, it will become 0. So 9 zeros are 0. 0 plus 4, what will it become? 4. Okay, 9 8s are 72. 72. Now I just in the last I need to add up all together. As I told you, the carry of the addition will go on these numbers, not on the upper numbers. यानी addition की carries क्या आ जाएगी? इन्हीं नीचे वाले numbers के ऊपर. 2 any number is there? No. So just 2 is there. 8 plus 7, it will become 15. Good. Now 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Look, I am placing the carries on these numbers, not on the upper numbers, because we have done the multiplication. Now we are just adding these multiplication together. सबसे पहले हमने सारे नंबर्स की मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर ली थी, अब हम सारे मल्टीप्लिकेशंस को क्या कर रहे हैं, आपस में ऐड कर रहे हैं. तो इसी वजह से हम कैरीज कहाँ ले रहे हैं, यहाँ पे. Now 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 1 8, 18. 4 plus 4, 8, 9, 10. 1 as a carry and 0 over here. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. And 7 as the last one. I hope so. All the things are clear to you now. And now I am giving you assignment as well. So I hope so you will complete the assignment as well. And for this week as well. Fine. Meet you in the next week. Allah Hafiz.